Hi guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we're gonna work on 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 Texas Edition. Yeah. So the customer showed up for the changing the brakes, but when I drove it, I found there's a kind of like hard brake. So we did some kind of diagnostic. I'm gonna give you some quick tip. I already replaced the brake booster. This is the old one. And the brake pads, but the problem was not the brake pad. The reason that I replaced the brake pads because they were low on the pads, but the problem was here, right here, on the brake booster. So sometimes the check valve is bad, so you need to push it just all the way back, see if you have a vacuum, put your finger over there and check if the check engine light is on because of that valve, which was not in mine. So there is two nuts over here. Use the 15 millimeter one on the other side. You can pull it all the way back here to release the brake booster and to replace it. All data shows 2.3 hours labor time. So all the way you need to come over here underneath of the brake pedal. There is a pin. You just push it back and push the knob back in there. The brake pedal is going to be released, and there is 4 nuts over there all around the booster. You gotta use the 13 millimeter to remove that one. Then if you wiggle it, it's gonna come out from here. It's easy. Like, I'm gonna give you an idea. Sorry, I already just replaced that. This is where the pin is going to the brake pedal, and this is the nuts over here for 15 millimeter. Sorry, I mentioned 13. These are 15 millimeters, and then you just wiggle it and play with it. It's gonna come out from here. I already tested with it. The brake looks perfect, fine, and no more like hard brake or something. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.